fluffy. Ooh. I'm here for a special treat. Ooh. Hey guys, this is JDizzEats, and today we are at Grassmere. It's a local Filipino restaurant known for their Filipino breakfast. And then at Grassmere, I ordered the Pinoy Platter.
Pancakes?
And here's Ube Pancakes.
Oh, nice.
Nice, see? We got Ube Pancakes, so it's basically purple yam with sprinkles in here. Ooh, syrup. Wow, nice presentation, guys. Got ice cream, ube, and then coconut in there. And then with the Pinoy Platter, we got your choice of 3 meats. And I chose the tapsilog, which is cured beef, tocino, which is cured pork, chicken, and fried chicken in there. And then with scrambled eggs. And then with this bagoong ensalada, which is fermented shrimp paste with mangoes and tomatoes and cucumbers. And a garlic fried rice. This is a big meal for JDizzEats. So guys, let's get in the taste. Alright guys, I can't wait to give this a taste. I think we're gonna start with the ube pancakes, straight into dessert. Because the ube ice cream is melting already. So, yeah, this is like a Filipino breakfast restaurant which opens like early morning and it closes late. I mean early, like around 5 p.m. But it's Saturday, so it closes early around 3 p.m. So gladly, I went here before it closes. So an hour before it closes. And here we go. Ooh, looks fluffy. Ooh, I'm here for a special treat. Ooh. Nice and sweet and fluffy on the inside. It's freshly cooked. Yeah, you gotta eat this first before it melts. Or quick. You get the coconut in there. Oh yeah, there we go, guys. Alright, moving on. Got the Pinoy Platter. I don't know if I should start the tapsilog with tocino. I think we should start with the tapsilog, cured beef. We're gonna have a garlic fried rice. Ooh, has scallions in there. Ooh, nice. Cooked away. I like scrambled eggs. Looks like an egg white scrambled egg. You gotta have tapa and eggs at the same time. That's what Filipinos do.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Nice seasoned on this beef. And then you guys, it's tocino this time, which is cured pork. And with eggs, gotta have the eggs also. I think nice sweetness on the tocino.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's what I like. I know it's best way to eat on a breakfast, but this is like late lunch. Because I had work this morning, so this is the time to have Grassmere. And here we're gonna have their fried chicken here. Ooh, Filipino style fried chicken. Gonna have scrambled eggs along with it. So I think this is like one of their best combo meals. And best selling, in my opinion. Ooh. Nice and juicy and moist on the fried chicken there.
Ano mamaya?
Oh
Hindi ako
yeah.
nagsasalita. Alam mo, hindi ako makikita. Gusto ko sana tayo na. Okay lang sa sila ba
I like
hindi
it.
dahil ba din hindi ako nagsasalita. Ayun, iba
Nice
sa
garlic and
bisiklada.
rice. I think we're gonna have their bagoong, I think ensalada. I'm not a fan of bagoong, but we're gonna taste it for you guys. We gotta mix it. Okay, I think I'm good with the mixing. Oh, there's mangoes. I don't know if it's Filipino mangoes or Mexican mangoes. We'll see about that. I think that should be good. The bagoong, the fermented shrimp paste, kind of tastes like sardines. And it helps contrast the sweet, sour, and the salty of this bagoong ensalada. And a cucumber. Back to the eggs. It's like a big meal here. And I like your chicken too. Like the marinade there. Best to dip it with gravy on this, or toyo or vinegar on this chicken. But it's mostly best on to dip it with on tocino and tapa. Those are the best combinations there. Pancakes ready been melted. Well, that's okay. We get all that flavor. That's sweetness in there. Ube flavor. It's worth the trip here. It's like other side of the city. It's a little bit outside of Winnipeg. You're gonna have tapa here. You're gonna have tapa
So
now.
you, meron ka dati wala. Kasi wala akong part-time eh.
I'm getting full right now.
Okay.
But this will put me to sleep.
Gana bibigyan natin sa kanya.
It's really nice out
Gana
today,
bibigyan natin.
by the way. So what a perfect time
Hindi, ito
to go
kinain
here
niya. 81.
during the season.
Pero,
Many unbearable hours later.
So guys,
Max.
what I think about Grassmere,
Max
the
days.
Pinoy Platter, and the Ube Pancakes are the Ube Pancakes. So nice, so sweet, so fluffy. Love the pancakes and nice presentation on it. Would love to have them again. And also the Pinoy Platter that I have, the tocino, nice and sweet and flavorful as well. Same thing with the tapa. The fried chicken, crispy, juicy, and moist as well. Flavorful. I think it's the best out of the three. And then the scrambled egg is kind of nice too. And then garlic rice, nice garlicness on that garlic fried rice. And the bagoong ensalada, even though I'm not a big fan of bagoong fermentation thing, kind of good too. And then with the water too. So it's I think it's a must get. So I got the two most recommended dishes to get at Grassmere. And I think it's one of the best Filipino restaurants or Filipino breakfast restaurants. And this is a little bit outside of Winnipeg.
Teka lang,
So
bubulahan
probably
ko to sa-
best Filipino breakfast in Manitoba. In my opinion, one of the best. And it's kind of a little bit farther, other side of the city, but worth the drive here. And it's kind of nice out here in Manitoba, in Winnipeg. Really, really nice weather. And I think that'll be it for the video for you guys. If you do enjoy the video, please make sure to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this thing with one, and comment for any suggestions. Guys, can we hit 5K subscribers? And guys, see you guys next video. Bye.